Hi guys, welcome back to Jaden Crafts, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this Chinese staircase bracelet. So, let's get started. This bracelet is totally beginner friendly, so if you are just starting out and you want to make this bracelet, then you can totally do that. This bracelet only uses one type of knot, which is the forward knot, but you can also use only backward knots. So it just depends which knot you want to practice for this bracelet. So yeah, you can use however many strings you want for this bracelet because it is totally customizable. I'm gonna be using 4 different colors, and the strings are about a yard long. And that is about half of your wingspan's length. So this is like about half. You know what I mean? So yeah, you can use 4 different colors like I'm using. You can do 4 different strings of the same color. You can use 5 different strings of the same color. You can use 10 colors, 12 colors. I think you get the gist of it. You can literally do whatever you want for this bracelet, and it still goes with the same tutorial that I'm about to show you. So, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so I have taped my 4 strings down to my work surface, and I left about this much string, and I taped that up here, so I have a little bit up here, just so that we can have ties at the end of the bracelet. So, first what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a knot to secure the knots and make sure that they don't come undone. And I would recommend this knot being pretty tight as well. So, we make the threads cross over, and then we just pull it under, like so. And then just tighten it to make sure that threads do not come undone. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our first color out from your bundle of strings, and we are just gonna be making forward knots. So again, what a forward knot looks like is you make a little 4, and then you bring this tail through the little triangle and pull to tighten. And you literally just keep doing that the whole entire bracelet. But what this bracelet tends to do is it tends to curl and curl and curl and curl. So the forward knots keeps going this way and this way and this way. So at times you have to bring it around and then just keep making the forward knots. And then like pull it under, and yeah. So as you can see, as I'm making the forward knots, it keeps moving over to the right, and it would be the opposite way if you're using backward knots. So yeah, and it has that little like lift up part, and once the forward knot gets all the way to the side, you want to bring this around and then keep making your forward knots and pull it to this side. And if you want to make your whole bracelet this one color, then you can keep doing that and keep doing that and keep doing that. But I want to switch it up. So I'm gonna take another strand from my bundle and then put your string that you were using to make your first forward knot. So you wanna put that back in the bundle, and then take out your next strand, and we're gonna do forward knots again. And do that until you want to switch to your next color. And yeah, it's literally that simple. That's why I said it was beginner friendly. So yeah, that's pretty much what you do the whole entire bracelet, and I will see you once I get done with this bracelet right here. Okie dokie, I have finished this bracelet, and now I'm just going to tie off the end with a simple knot like we did at the beginning. So just cross over your threads and pull it through and tighten. So yeah, that is how you make the simple Chinese staircase bracelet. Okay, so that is the tutorial, and it is a couple days later. That's why I'm in a different shirt. But I finished the bracelet as you saw, and it is very, very cute. I would totally recommend doing this bracelet if you're a beginner, because it is a good way to practice your forward or backward knots. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it down below, and make sure to subscribe to the Crafty family because we are pretty sick. So yeah, have a wonderful day and bye guys.